How delete post in YouTube? Not video, not short, not live, but post here. Here is post. Not video, not short, no live, but the post. How to delete post? Click the post here and go here, the 3 points here, and click delete. And hit I understand and delete. And repeat. Go to post. Go here. Delete. Yes, I understand. I delete. I repeat. Go to post. And 3 points here and delete. I understand and delete. Yes. Click post here. Click 3 points here. Delete. Yes, I understand and delete. Click post here. 3 points here. Delete. Check here and yes, understand and delete. That's how to delete a post and the YouTube channel.